There are so many beautiful places like these in Goa, and in today's video I am near the Baga river. So the Baga river from here goes right up until Anjuna. What we will be doing is we'll be following the Baga river, and I'll show you here behind. There are some lovely places for accommodation, many nice restaurants on the way, and there's this huge hotel where you can stay, where you can go fishing. They have couple of huge lakes and you can catch some really big fish. So a lot is coming up in this video. Stay tuned and keep watching till the end. And in today's video, accompanying me is Adrian. And sorry, I didn't introduce myself. I am Gavin. And we cover lots of places in Goa, mostly restaurants, places to visit. So yes, Adrian will be riding the bike, and let's go on this virtual tour now. So yes, this is the river here, and we've started our tour from this place called River Deck Baga. Not a lot of you guys must be familiar with this place because not a lot of tourists visit here, but yes, there are some very nice places for accommodation here. I've seen some reviews. I've seen reviews on this one, this place here, this villa has very good reviews. And yes, there are many homestays where you can visit in down this road on the left. There are many resorts as well. This one here is Baga Beach Villa. This is across here. And coming up ahead is Akron. So Akron has some very good reviews as well, and they have an infinity pool. I guess it's this one. This is their parking, I believe. Yeah, this is the one. So this is Akron Resort. That's the one there. And what we'll do now is we'll follow this road and we'll keep going straight towards Arpora. And you have to be very careful here, guys, because on the right hand side here on the bridge, usually there are traffic police. We saw them as well that side. They stand there, so make sure that you carry your license and your helmet. And this is the beautiful Baga river, and you have to be careful. Again, the roads are narrow, so yes, make sure you ride carefully. And on this river you can go kayaking. So there's a kayaking place behind. It's called Baga Beach Kayaking. We made a video on that. Very nice place for kayaking. There are these lovely restaurants. I haven't been to this one, but behind us there was a restaurant called Jamie's. It's very famous. And coming up ahead is Royal Enfield Cafe. The pizzas, burgers, everything is great there. Just look at this view, guys. So if you want, you can come here. Toro Toro, this one is a well-known place as well. And yes, you can go kayaking this side as well. There is a kayaking spot here ahead. And yes, on the left here is Royal Enfield Cafe. So the ambience is very good. There are lots of bikes on display here. Lovely looking cafe, and we've been here. We made a video here as well. Really enjoyed this place. Especially if you are a bike enthusiast, you'll definitely love the Royal Enfield Cafe. There are so many bikes on display, at least around 100 to 200 bikes on display. There's even a bike on display there from the World War. Right. Now, this is the one that I was talking about. So that's a taxi stand, and the Baga restaurant, some restaurant called the Baga something. I missed that, sorry. So yes, this road straight, it goes towards Arpora. Beautiful chapel here. And as I said, this river goes all the way up until Anjuna. And if you see there in the distance, there are a couple of lakes there. So we are going that side. We are going to park our bike there, and I will show you the place. What's this? Pineapple Villa. So there are many stalls here. If you want to hydrate, there's coconut water. If you want to get some cheap sunglasses, floats, t-shirts, it's all there here. Right. Tattoo studio here on the left. Origin Boutique, Hotel, Tipsy Tiger. I haven't been to these places. If you're visiting, do check the review. Alora Spice. And yeah, you have to be careful because the cars do turn on the left here. There's a road that goes towards Anjuna. Right. Check this out. There's a huge lake there. And this is the bridge. So after this bridge starts Arpora. What we will be doing is we'll park our bike near this place. It's called Marina Dorada. we'll go a bit ahead and park our bike because I want to show you these beautiful looking lakes. These are the two lakes that I was talking about. So if you stay there, yeah, go on the right. Yeah. So yes, these are the two lakes that I was talking about. I have to show you this place. I cannot miss this one. So yes, if you're staying there, that there is Marina Dorada. This is one lake here and there's another one there in the distance. You can see there are lots of rooms. So if you stay here, you can go fishing, and yeah, it's only allowed for people who stay there. Let's continue our tour here. So yes, this is a close-up of Marina Dorada. It's a huge place, lots of rooms I guess, and they have some very good reviews as well. And I've spoken to some people who've stayed here, so they've really enjoyed their stay here. Especially if you're someone who loves fishing, you will enjoy this place. Right. So yeah, this river is again the Baga river. It's going towards Anjuna. Now we'll keep going straight. Okay, next place. This is a well-known restaurant, especially for English breakfast. We want to actually visit this place soon and have the breakfast here, because I've got to know from many people that the English breakfast here is good and the other food is good as well. Now we are going to take a right from this place, and now straight ahead, if you see, this is the ground for the Arpora night market. And this year, if I'm not mistaken, the market is not held because they did not get the license. So yes, usually every year they have the night market, and we are going towards Saint Sebastian Chapel ahead. This one is fish deck, very good for seafood. We've eaten here before. I have not made a video, but yes, the food is good. They used to be good, but please check the latest reviews before visiting. Starlight coming ahead, one of our favorite restaurants for seafood. It's huge inside. It might look small, but the thalis here and everything is very good. We have a video on this place. I like the thalis at Starlight. There's another Starlight in South Goa as well, next to the river. I've eaten there as well. Very nice food for, very nice place for seafood. Right. So what we'll do now is we'll keep going straight from here, because this road will lead us to Baga, and that's where we want to go. Okay, Adrian, go straight. This is the chapel. Let me show you a good view of the chapel. And this is the Arpora circle. Yeah, that's the chapel there. And somewhere here you'll get the buses as well that go to Kandolim. Not very sure, but yeah, just check that out if you want to travel by bus. The tickets by bus are very cheap. It's like 10, 20, 30 rupees, not more than that. So this road here will take us towards Baga. On the right here is another restaurant called Crazy Crabs. Again, some people have given good reviews. Somewhere down this road. And there is a wax museum here as well, in case if you're interested. That one there. And another new place is coming up here. Biggest aquarium in Maharashtra and Goa. That's going to come up here. Why would I want to visit an aquarium anyway? I'd rather go to the beach and watch the fish swim in the river or in the ocean. Yes, so this is a bridge here. If you see there, there are traffic police standing there. Please make sure you carry your license and your helmet and everything, because they thoroughly check you. Right. Some nice fields here on the left, and coming up ahead is fat fish. Fat fish. The price of thalis are very fat here as well. It's 500 rupees for a thali. I don't care whether it's good or bad, but I will never visit a place which serves 500 rupees thali. But yeah, it's a very famous place. Take a ride from here. They've extended here as well. Even this side of the road is now fat fish. So yes, we've taken this right, and this road will take us towards Baga. So I'll take you all the way to Baga. Here as well there are many places, many homestays, guest houses. Again, we've not stayed here, but yes, please check the reviews. Lots of guest houses here. So basically homestays are where, you know, locals stay and they give out rooms on rent as well. On the left here there are fields, and then there is parking, Ferns guest house, car parking. And look at this building, and this also looks like a place to stay. So lovely narrow roads, winding roads here. And again, I want to state the importance of wearing a helmet and going slow and carrying all your documents when you are riding. You have to be very safe, guys. You never know what will cross your path. This restaurant is called Kiss Me. I've never seen anyone visit this place. They have Hyderabadi dum biryani and all this. So there's a medical here. And more stalls here. Now we are reaching towards Baga. So I hope you guys are enjoying the tours here. Beverly Ward, who is one of our viewers who watches us all the way from Australia, commented that she feels like she's on the bike watching these videos. So I'm really happy to know you are liking the videos. If you need any information in Goa, about Goa, do let me know as well. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the virtual tour. We are on the main road, the road which goes towards Kalangut from Baga, and many restaurants here, but personally I did not like these restaurants, except there's one here ahead, Cozina, that's what I remember the name is. We had lunch there yesterday. It was pretty decent, very good. And let's take a right from here, Adrian. This is the Tibetan market. We are on the right. Take a right here. Okay. So yes, many stalls here. Go straight. And I wanted to show you this place because we visit this place very often. This is called AJ's. They have a lovely pool table, and there are many shops here. We visit here in the evenings to play pool. I like the ambience here. And there's this restaurant here called Fire and Ice. Many of our viewers visit this place. I have not eaten here. This is Barde Goa, again a very local place for us. And this road straight will take you to the beach. So yes, this brings us to the end of the virtual tour today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.